Hi, welcome back. So here we are at the end of January in between rains on a beautiful day, and I'm ready to go ahead and do some maintenance on the garden, gather up some materials for the composter. So I thought I'd take you along and have you check it on out. So let's go ahead and do that. Come on over and you guys can take a look at the native garden behind me here. So this is the one that we put in about 2 years ago. It's doing awesome, and as you can see, I've been working on doing some trimming. So for the composter, this is for the composter, not for the composter. For the composter, not for the composter. So what I'll do with this material, and this came off of our mint bush there, so I'm going to go ahead and take this and I'll trim these up a little bit with my trimmers. I'm going to pull off the nice leaves, just kind of snap those off, and I'll be using those for some essential oils. And then over here I wanted to show you why this is not good. So this isn't good material for the composter because there could be some little seeds that are still hidden in there. The birds, they've gotten most of them out, but there could still be some in there, so I want to make sure that I'm not growing anything in the composter itself. And then as you can see, we've got a lot of ugly mold there on that other material here. So this is a seaside buckwheat that I've been working on trimming up. And what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and follow the branch. Of course, I'll do this with 2 hands, but I'll follow the branch down to the very base and then just give it a little trim. And then again, this I wouldn't put in the composter because it could have some spent seeds in there. So let's see here. Now this is another mint, and I'm going to go ahead and leave all of these for the birds and the hummingbirds. Our resident hummingbird Spike came by as I was doing some trimming, and I got a little nectar from some of these and letting me know they are not ready to go yet. So I'm going to go ahead and leave those here for him. Over here I will be doing some trimming on this, kind of clear up some of these areas in here. So I think that's about it. The green material provides the nitrogen for your composter, and there you are. So the green material provides the nitrogen for your composter, and you want brown materials in there as well. You probably want to have maybe about 65-75% of the green materials, the rest to be the brown materials. And if you do it correctly, your composter will not smell bad. It will actually have a very pleasant odor coming out of it. So make sure you have a nice mixture, give it water every once in a while, and we won't have to worry about that today because we've got the rains, and so that already took care of that. So have a wonderful day and make it a green one.